useful because it has a slide-out keyboard.
Okay.
So if you want to use the television and perhaps search for a movie, or perhaps you want to browse the web, it allows you the ability to type in search terms directly. So I am not real familiar with the interface. Let me see if I can figure it out. Oh, okay, that's the back button. All right. Back. So how do you get back to the main menu? You can also do picture-in-picture, so you could have be watching one TV show, and then you could even be streaming something from the internet or watching something from
or you can record,
locally attached storage.
You can record something.
I don't think you can record anything with the device. It's just I think it's just a playback-only device.
Okay.
But there you go. See, along the bottom area there, you can have information feeds for weather, for financial information, as well as accessing menus for changing your settings, browsing through your local media, or launching apps.
Oh, good.
This would be kind of like an app store, so you can load certain apps to perhaps watch movies on demand, or listen to music or whatever. So maybe, for instance, you'll have access to Pandora or something like that.
Okay. And you have a home theater system as well? A Lenovo brand theater system?
I think that might be an offering available in China, so that is basically subwoofer and satellite speakers. So that would be something that would be available in some other parts of the world, such as China.